In this lesson I will show you how to create a construction plane offset by a certain value from another plane, and I'm going to show you how the loft operation works. And first we will create a sketch on the XY plane. Choose the Create Sketch command, select the XY plane and draw a circle so that the center of the circle lies at the origin of the coordinate system. And draw a circle with a diameter of 80 millimeters. And as you draw the circle, after you select the center point of the circle, before you select the other point of the circle, you can specify the dimension and type 80 millimeters here and press enter to confirm. Click Finish Sketch to exit the sketch, and now we will create a second sketch, but the second sketch will be created on a different plane, and this plane will be offset by 50 millimeters from the XY plane. And to create such a plane, select the Offset Plane command from the Construct menu, then select the XY plane or the sketch, and relative to the indicated feature we can create another plane offset by a specified value. And here enter 50 millimeters as the offset value. You can type it here or here and click OK. And in this way we have created a construction plane that is offset from the XY plane by 50 millimeters. And now on this plane we can create a sketch, and to create a sketch on this plane, select this plane and choose Create Sketch. Then from the Create menu select Ellipse. And to create an ellipse, select the origin point of the coordinate system as the first point of the ellipse, then specify the position of the second point and the position of the third point of the ellipse. Draw the ellipse roughly like this and click Finish Sketch to exit the sketch. And now we will create another sketch. We will create another plane which will be offset by 50 millimeters from the ellipse. Select the ellipse and select the Offset Plane command and add another plane that will be offset by 50 millimeters from the ellipse. You can do this by dragging this arrow, or you can type the appropriate value here or there and click OK to confirm. Select this plane, select Create Sketch, and now select Draw Circle and draw the circle so that the center of the circle is at the origin of the coordinate system, and define the second point of the circle at about this point and click Finish Sketch to exit the sketch. And we have created 3 sketches, and based on these sketches we can perform the loft operation. From the Create menu select the loft operation, then select the profiles based on which this operation will be performed and click OK. And this is how we got this solid, and this solid was created by extruding through 3 profiles, and there can be many more profiles. In this lesson I just wanted to show how it works, that's why we used only 3 profiles. But if you want, then you can use many more profiles. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel, and link to the other lessons of this training are in the description of this video.